congratulations to Alden Richards for 5 breakups in a romance.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is
for breakups.
Di ba yung movie sila ulit ng Ito ulit ba sila? Yun ulit, no? Silang dalawa ni Coco. Ano yung pizza ko to?
Who will take home the star trophy?
Ooh, interesting.
April is winning performances from among our actors.
Marisa ko yan.
for movie actor of the year. Ding Dong Dantes, Rewind.
Sabihin mo na lang kasi kung ano mangyayari. Kung pinapahirapan mo ako, sasabihin mo lang, dyan, wala na!
Sean de Guzman, Fallback.
Sino?
Christopher De Leon, When I Met You. Cedric White, Composer. Coco Martin, Apag. Piolo Pascual, Malian.
Di ba? Isang sumpa ang magmahal.
Roderick Paulate, In His Mother's Eyes.
Jose! Tanong. Nung umalis ka ba ng tanong sa kapupunta?
Alden Richards, 5 breakups and a romance.
Gusto mo, hindi mo na ako lilipat bukas. Dito lang ako.
Grabe pala.
Para lang may kausap.
Romney Sarmiento, About Us, Not About Us.
Ba't ka kasi nakikinig sa ibang tao?
And Alfred Bantas, King.
Sino? Si Isakto. Yung anak mo.
Nakaka-goosebumps po yung lineup. The PMPC definitely made such tough choices. Kaya naman, here goes Miss Aiko to do the honors.
Anyway, the star for movie actor of the year is... Oh my God, it's a tie.
Sabi ko.
So congratulations to Alden Richards for 5 breakups in a romance.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is former PMPC President Fernando de Guzman.
Isa pa. Si Ding Dong lang. Ding Dong.
Okay.
Rewind muna tayo, ha? Parang hindi ko narinig. Did I hear it right, diba?
Yes, kasi we have another name to be called as Movie Actor of the Year. We got a tie. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, the star for Movie Actor of the Year goes to...
Ding Dong Dantes for the movie Rewind!
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is former PMPC President Fernando de Guzman, together with Binibining Pilipinas Samantha Acosta and Jan Yamato, lead marketing of Playtime, to present the 25,000 pesos cash to the winners.
Ano final? Huli na.
Hello. Ayun, wow. Thank you very much. Una po sa Nay Maria, hello, good evening. Direk Pepe, congrats, Cedric. First, I just want to honor first yung mga fellow nominees ko po, yung napakagaling na mga aktor sa industriya po natin. Kuya Dick, Romney Sarmiento, siyempre, si Piolo, si Coco, si Alden, Siyempre, yung aking idolo si Mr. Christopher De Leon. Grabe na, mga mahuhusay ko natin saludo po sa inyo. Alam niyo po, bilang isang aktor, Alfred, brother, Alfie, and congrats also, Alfie. Bilang isang aktor po, malinaw po sa amin na kami po ay nagiging instrumento ng mga gustong sabihin, diba, ng mga filmmakers, minsan madalas ng lipunan, and very, siguro, particularly sa pelikulang Rewind, malinaw po sa amin sa buong cast, na may mas malaking kwento po talaga na gustong sabihin ang pelikulang ito, at ito'y nanggagaling sa ating Lods. Kaya nagdarasal po kami talaga na sana maging effective po yung aming storytelling. Dahil napakaganda po talaga ng mensahe ng pelikulang ito. Kaya parang nga po ako nagre-retreat everyday na nagsushooting po kami ng pelikulang Rewind. And I think it became all the more special because I have done it with my leading lady and with my wife. Kaya PMBC, maraming salamat po dito sa recognition na ito dahil ito yung magsisilbing alaala kung sa lahat ng nangyari, lahat ng magandang alaala sa pelikulang Rewind. Higit sa lahat, doon sa mensahe na gustong sabihin ng pelikula. At yun ay, lahat ng bagay sa atin dito sa mundo, maaaring temporary lang eh. Minsan talaga kahit anong gawin natin, yung kala natin tayo ay in control of everything. Ang katunayan nun ay hindi. Dahil siya talagang may control ng lahat. Gaya nga ng parating sinasabi sa akin ng aking tatay, everything comes from the Lord. So on that note, maraming salamat po. I would like to share this also with everybody who worked hard dito po sa pelikulang Rewind, mula sa writer, sa aming producers, sa aking director, sa Direct May, and to all my co-actors, and to everybody who co-created this with me. Maraming salamat, PMBC, and happy 40th at mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Thank you very much.
Such a beautiful message. Thank you so much, Mr. Ding Dong Dantes. And now to receive this award, please welcome Mr. Alden Richards.
Hello po. Muli po, maraming salamat po sa PMTC, sa mga jury po and members of the Philippine Movie Press Club. Maraming salamat po for this recognition for 5 Breakups in a Romance. Yung partner, pagkatatambal po namin dito ni Miss Julia Montes nung nag-uusap kami nung ginagawa po namin yung pelikula, parang hindi po kami siguradong dalawa. Pero I think yung tinuro po sa akin ng pelikulang to is sometimes there's beauty into the unknown. And I think risk is always right around the corner, but we just have to jump into it and kailangan mo lang tanggapin at gawin ng lahat ng makakaya. So muli po, to Jamie Pictures, to Myriad Entertainment Corporation, and to Cornerstone Studios, thank you for this chance. I share this award po sa lahat ng mga kasama ko sa pelikula. And isang malaking karangalan po ito na mabigyan ng recognition for this film. So muli po, maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi. Thank you, PMTC.
The 40th PMBC Star Awards for Movies will be right back.